In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the taskbar to the side or top on Windows 11. Open your web browser and go to the ExplorerPatcher GitHub releases page. If needed, pause and copy the pinned comment so you can get to the exact page being used here. Once the releases page is open, scroll down to the Assets section under the latest release. In that list, click epsetup.exex to start the download. When the download finishes, open the downloaded file, then double-click epsetup.eexe. If Windows shows a warning, click More Info, then click Run Anyway. The installer runs silently, so you will not see a normal setup window. You may notice the taskbar briefly flicker and change appearance. That means ExplorerPatcher has been installed. Now right-click an empty area of the taskbar at the bottom of the screen and click Properties. The ExplorerPatcher Properties window will open, with a list of categories on the left side. Click Taskbar in the left pane if it is not already selected. At the top, find the setting called Taskbar Style. Click the drop-down next to it and choose Windows 10. As soon as you switch it, the taskbar changes to the Windows 10 style. This is the setting that unlocks taskbar positioning. Next, find Primary Taskbar Location on screen. Click that drop-down and choose the position you want. Select Top to move the taskbar to the top of the screen. Select Left to move it to the left side, or select Right to move it to the right side. After choosing the position, click Restart File Explorer at the bottom left of the window. The screen will briefly flicker while File Explorer restarts. When it comes back, the taskbar will appear in the new position you selected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you want to restore the Windows 11 Start menu style, click Start menu in the left pane. Then click the Start menu style drop-down and select Windows 11. After that, click Restart File Explorer again at the bottom left. The screen may flicker one more time as the change is applied. This keeps the modern Windows 11 Start menu while the taskbar stays at the top or on the side. The Windows 11 taskbar is now positioned where you chose it, and taskbar features like the Start menu, Search, Pinned Apps, and the System tray continue to work in that new location.